Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing this bluish silvery smoky look that I personally love. It is actually one of my go-to looks if I'm feeling all glammed up. And as usual, if you'd like to learn how to do this glam look, please keep on watching, and yeah, and let's jump right into it. So for today's tutorial, we will be using the SEPHORA Geometricolor Palette, and this is how the box looks like. It says here it has 80 eyeshadows, 32 lip glosses, 6 eye cream eyeliners, 4 blushes, 2 tutorial cards, and 4 face powders, and 4 brow powders. It is actually a complete set for, you know, anyone who is so lazy to go out and buy individual stuffs. This right here is a collection by Sephora themselves, and they usually release it during holiday season, especially Christmas. So I always look forward to their new releases every single time. So let's just jump right into it. Now, looking at the box, we can see a lot of vibrant colors, which I love. So let's unbox it and let's give it a go. So this is how the palette looks like, and I have to admit, like, this is quite heavy, and it's almost it's slightly bigger than my face, so you know it's sturdy. So let's just swatch some of the colors. Let's see, we swatch this pink one because I love pink, and oh, okay, it's not bad. Blue one. That's how the blue looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this color right here is, oh my god, it can really be a very beautiful highlighting color. Okay, well, it's kind of powdery, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see, it's quite powdery, but it's all in all, the colors, first glance, super pretty. I can't stop saying the word pretty, like, excuse me. The first impression, pretty palette. So if you slide here, these are all the lip glosses. Stunning. Okay, as you can see here, we have all the face powders. We have contour powders, we have blushes, and we have brightening powder and all that jazz. And down here we have the brow powders. Lovely. And last but not least, here are the cream eyeliners included in this palette. So yeah. Okay, so first things first, as our transition shade, we will be using this shade right here and coat our brush. Now guys, as you can see, the size of each of the eyeshadow is quite small, so you just gotta fit your brush right in. As you can see I'm squeezing my brush into the shadows. And what I like about this palette is that it comes with a mirror, so A+ for practicality. Okay, once you're done placing your transition color, next we're going to be using this shade right here, and we're just going to, you know, put it just right below your transition color. So you will have something like this. After that, we're going to take this beautiful royal blue shade, and we're just going to put it all over our eyelid. Now the follow of this royal blue shade is crazy. It's okay, I'll try to make it work. Okay, up next we're going to take this shimmer shade right here, and we're going to spray our brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, and we're going to put it in our inner corner. Okay, so you should have something like this. You know what? I think I'm going to improvise this look and just put the shimmer all over the eyelid. And next, we will be taking this shade right here, and we're just going to deepen the whole look. I feel like the blues in this palette is quite patchy, and you need extra effort in terms of blending the colors. Now next, we're going to be using the same transition shade and the same transition brush that we used earlier, and just go over the top to make it look seamless. And for the bottom part, we're going to be using this shade right here and just smudge it through. And next we're going to be taking the shade right here to just soften things out. And then next we're going to be taking this pretty shimmer shade that we used earlier as well and put it in our inner corner, in our bottom part. And we're going to jump right into this gorgeous gold shade and top it off in our inner corner. So I'm thinking of going a little bit ham with my inner corner, so I'm thinking of using this beautiful, very light pinky highlighting shade and put it on top. Okay, so you should have something like this. Okay, so that's one eye look completed. I'm going to be wiping this fallout, of course, and I'll be doing my other eye off camera real quick and probably should I do an eyeliner or no? Maybe not. No, I think this look is pretty on its own without eyeliner, so yeah, see you in a bit. So that's both eye look done, and we're going to move on with our highlighter and lips and we will be done. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two together and create our highlighter. Okay, it has a very subtle finishing because hey, it is an eyeshadow, but everything can be used for anything, right? As long as it is within your creativity, trust me, you can turn anything into something. In this case, we're using an eyeshadow as our highlighter because why not? And last but not least, let's use one of the lip glosses from this palette, and we're going to be using this one. I think looks like oh, it's very creamy. Taking your lip brush and finishing off our look with our MAC Fix Plus. And that, guys, concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and guys, it's very easy to do. Of course you need a lot of practice, so do I still feel like I need more practicing in terms of, you know, blending and all those jazz. Guys, all in all, that Sephora palette is bomb. Of course there is a little bit powdery here and there, but it's complete. I would say it's easy for you to bring if you're traveling, but bear in mind it's quite heavy. There were a couple of times where I almost snapped my fingers, like, you know, like I was, you know, holding it and then suddenly, so bear that in mind. The gloss is pretty, nothing crazy. Loving the eyes. Color payoff is a-okay. So I hope you guys have a great day ahead. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you guys continue to support me. I'll do my best to bring more creative contents for all of you guys because I can't wait to venture into that. I hope you guys try to recreate this look at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.